Today we will start with forms of verbs. क्रियापदांची रूपे. A verb is an action indicating word. What is it? It is an action indicating word. Means verb indicate actions. Okay. क्रियापद, क्रियादर्शक शब्द. क्रियादर्शक शब्द कोणती क्रिया आहे हे दाखवणारा शब्द म्हणजेच क्रियापद. क्रिया म्हणजेच कृती. क्रिया म्हणजेच कृती. आता जनरली बेसिक्समध्ये 3 भाग मानले जातात. V1, V2 आणि V3. V1 म्हणजे पहिलं रूप, V2 दुसरं रूप, V3 तिसरं रूप. पण काही एक्सपर्टच्या मते 6 रूप मानली जातात. किती रूप? 6. ते कसे असतात, ते कुठे वापरतात ते आपण बघूया. थोडं जरी काही आलं तरी विचारून घ्या. ओके, यू मे आस्क युअर क्वेश्चन्स. रिपीट. V for verb. V for verb. First V1. V1 means first form of verb. Repeat. Verb. Verb. Okay. Addition. Okay. Once again. Verb. Verb. V1. V2. V3. V4. V5. And V6. Okay. V1 to V6. Okay. Everyone knows about these verbs. Verb. Okay. Just like to write. What is it? To write. We will take an example. To write. To write means लिखने. To write means लिखने. Okay. To write. Okay. 3 forms. Repeat. Write, wrote, written.
Right, wrote, written.
Write,
Right,
wrote,
wrote,
written.
written.
Write, wrote, written.
Right, wrote, written.
Eat, ate.
Eaten.
Take to.
Written.
Play, played, played. Make, made, made. Then draw, drew, drawn. Okay. Drive, drove, driven. Think, thought, thought. Seek, sought, sought. Fight, fought, fought. Okay. Just like this. Okay. V1, V2 and V3. V4. What is V4? Repeat. V4 Navachar.
Navachara.
It has 4 names. It has
4 names.
Which are they? We will see. First name is V4. Okay. But in board questions, V4 is not used. We use here V4 for our convenience. V4. Its names are V1 ing. Repeat. V1 ing. V1 ing. Present participle.
Present participle.
Present participle.
Present participle.
Present participle. Okay. Repeat. V1 ing. Present participle.
Present participle.
And gerund. And gerund. Okay. V4. V1 ing. Present participle and gerund. Repeat. V1 ing.
V1 ing.
V1 ing.
V1 ing.
V1 ing.
V1 ing.
Present participle.
Present participle.
V1 ing. Present participle.
V1 ing. Present participle.
V1 ing.
V1 ing.
Present participle.
Present participle.
V1 ing. Present participle.
V1 ing. Present participle.
Gerund.
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 And last one is V4. What is it?
V4.
V4. Okay. V4. Then V5. V5. V5 is V1 yes or yes. Repeat. V5.
V5.
V1 yes yes.
V1 yes yes.
V1 yes yes.
V1 yes yes.
And here last one is infinitive. What is it? Infinitive. Last one infinitive. Okay. What is it? Infinitive. Once again repeat. V1, V2, V3.
V1 V2 V3.
V1, V2, V3.
V1 V2 V3.
V4.
V4.
V5.
V5.
V6.
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 Okay. V7 is not there. V7 is not there. Okay, repeat. V1, V2, V3,
V1, V2, V3,
V4,
V4,
V5,
V5,
V6.
V6,
Okay, V1. To write is V1. To write is V1.
V1.
Okay. Where do we use it? आपण कुठे वापरतो? Okay. Or where is it used? कुठे वापरला जातो? Okay. कुठे वापरला जातो? Look here. Okay. Verb.
Verb.
Okay. Verb. Verb is verb. Verb is verb.
Verb.
Is the base. Then V1. V1 is used. Repeat. V1 is used.
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 Okay. In simple present,
Simple present,
simple past,
simple past,
simple present and simple past. Okay. Its use is simple present
simple present,
and in
and
sorry, not
Sorry,
simple
simple
past,
past
simple
meant-
future.
in
Simple future.
future.
In simple present, subject V1 object. Subject V1
Object.
Okay. And in simple future, subject shall be V1 object. Okay. V2, it is used only in simple past. Only in
simple past,
simple past tense. Simple past tense. Okay. Simple past मध्ये वापरला जातो subject V2 object. Formula is subject plus V2 plus object. Okay. He wrote essays. त्याने निबंध लिहिले. He came here. तो येथे आला. Okay. रोहित शर्मा made a century. रोहित शर्माने शतक बनवलं. Made V2. धोनी won the toss. Win 1-1. ओके. धोनीने टॉस जिंकला. 1. ओके. रिटर्न. ओके. आता हा V3 V3 चा वापर काय? ओके. तुम्ही कुठे कुठे वापरू शकता? तर एकदम सोपं आहे. कुठे वापरू शकता? पहिली गोष्ट टेन्सेस. पहिली गोष्ट
Perfect
टेन्सेस. विच टेन्सेस? परफेक्ट
perfect
टेन्सेस.
tenses,
परफेक्ट टेन्सेस.
perfect tenses,
प्रेझेंट परफेक्ट टेन्स.
Present perfect tense,
प्रेझेंट परफेक्ट, पास्ट परफेक्ट अँड
future perfect,
व्हेरी गुड. रिपीट. प्रेझेंट परफेक्ट, पास्ट परफेक्ट, फ्युचर परफेक्ट.
present perfect, past perfect, future perfect,
Present perfect, past perfect and future
Future
perfect. First use is in tenses, in perfect tenses. Second use in passive voice. In
passive,
passive voice. Okay. Okay. Jayesh brings apples. Apples are brought by Jayesh. Apples are brought. Bring, brought. V3. Okay. Third use is as an adjective. As an
adjective,
adjective. Completed work. Completed work. Completed project.
completed,
A well-designed plan. A well-designed plan. Decorated hall. To decorate. Okay. Decorated. Okay. To decorate is base form. Okay. Invited. आमंत्रित. Okay. Invited. Okay. The invited. The नंतर adjective आला म्हणजे त्या प्रकारचे लोक. Okay. The rich म्हणजे श्रीमंत लोक. The brave शूर लोक. Just like that. Okay. V4. It is used in continuous form. V4 means V1 ing. Okay. Present continuous, past continuous, future continuous. Okay. After that, present perfect continuous, past perfect continuous, and future perfect continuous. Repeat. Present continuous,
present continuous,
present continuous,
present continuous,
past continuous,
past continuous,
future continuous.
future continuous,
Okay. हे तीन तर आहेच फक्त continuous, only continuous tenses. Then perfect continuous मध्ये सुद्धा वापरलं जातं. Repeat. Present perfect continuous,
present perfect continuous,
past perfect continuous,
past perfect continuous,
future perfect continuous,
future perfect continuous,
future perfect
continuous.
Okay. start करें. V1 ला yes. V1 ला
Yes.
yes. Okay. तो सिंपल प्रेझेंट मध्ये येतो. कुठं फक्त सिंपल
Simple
प्रेझेंट. म्हणा. In simple present tense,
in simple present tense,
when
when
subject is
Subject is
third person singular.
third person singular.
Then we use
Then we use
s or es
s or es
as suffix
as suffix
to V1.
to V1.
सिंपल प्रेझेंट टेन्स मध्ये सब्जेक्ट जर थर्ड पर्सन सिंग्युलर असेल, ही शी इट किंवा एखादं नाम सिंग्युलर, तर त्यावेळेस V1 ला एस प्रत्यय लावायला लागतो. प्रत्यय मीन्स सफिक्स, जो नंतर लावतो तो प्रत्यय. ओके, इथे रिटर्नला V1 म्हणजे काय होईल? रायटिंग. व्हॉट इज इट?
Writing.
हिअर राइट्स. हिअर
Writes.
V1 yes, it is used in simple present. Okay, when subject is third person singular. Simple present. Okay, when the subject is third person singular. And what is infinitive? Okay, we can use it as a subject or as an object also. Okay, to write. Repeat. To write.
To write.
To write.
To write.
He told me to write. He told me. त्याने मला सांगितलं. To write. त्याने मला लिहायला सांगितलं. He told me to write. त्याने मला लिहायला सांगितलं. Okay. He told me to come. त्याने मला यायला सांगितलं. आता मराठीत कसं होईल? लिहिण्यास. काय होईल?
Lineas.
लिहिण्यास. लिहायला. अर्थ आहे का सर?
हा.
Meaning is the same. लिहिण्यास.
लिहायला.
लिहायला. लिहिण्याकरता. लिहिण्या
करता.
करिता. करिता करता एकच. लिहिण्यासाठी अर्थ एकच आहे. लिहिण्यासाठी.
लिहून देण्यासाठी.
ओके, लिहिण्यासाठी. लिहिण्यास. टू राईट. लिहून देण्यासाठी. व्हेरी गुड. सो पडतंय. ओके, गोचं कसं होईल? गो, वेंट, गॉन. देन गोइंग. बिफोर गोइंग. देन
Goes.
goes. yes. Okay, then to go. To go. जाण्यास, जायला, जाण्याकरता, जाण्यासाठी. त्याने मला जाण्यासाठी पैसे दिले. He gave money
To.
to go. He gave me money. त्याने मला दिले पैसे. He gave me money to go. He gave money to me to go. असं पण चालेल. ओके, कारण दोन ऑब्जेक्ट्स आहे ना. एक ऑब्जेक्ट आहे मी. सब्जेक्ट नेहमी सब्जेक्टिव्ह केस मध्ये असतो. ऑब्जेक्ट नेहमी ऑब्जेक्टिव्ह केस मध्ये असतो. रिपीट. आय, मी, माय, वी, अस, अवर.
I, me, my,
Mine,
yours, ours.
आय, मी, माय,
I, me, mine.
वी, अस, अवर.
Yours, ours.
यू, युअर. यू, युअर.
You, your,
Yours.
ही, हिम, हिज. शी, हर.
She, her.
इट, इट्स.
It is.
दे, देम, देयर.
they, them, there.
थँक्यू.
Thank